Hanap mo ba sa isang property ay small community at malayo sa ingay ng Metro Manila? However, accessible ito going to Manila via Cavite. If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Introducing Sienna Model Unit na single attached at may minimum lot size na 90 square meters. Meron tayong option na bare turnover at complete finish turnover. Sa complete finish turnover, meron itong 2 bedrooms at 1 toilet and bath. Located ito sa Malaynen, Nai, Cavite. Magandang investment to, pwede mo to ipa-Airbnb dahil meron tayong complete amenities na resort style. Total contract price para sa complete finish turnover ay 2.1 million. Monthly amortization via Pag-ibig Financing ay 12,144 only. At ang monthly equity nito for 24 months ay 21,000. Alam mo ba na may available tayo na lot only dito sa Paradisimo at may minimum lot size tayo na 80 square meter. For as low as 4,460 sa monthly amortization via Pag-ibig Finance at 16,000 na monthly equity for 18 months. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property nito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!